So we are back over here in our code, which we implemented for our default method. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add a static method over here. Say I'm going to add a static method, static int get bounce factor. And multiple I've added a get bounce factor, which will return the bounce factor value over here. But before it returns the bounce factor value, whatever multiple you have passed to this get bounce factor method, it's going to multiply your bounce factor with that multiple. So if your multiple is 5, it is going to increase your bounce factor 5 times, and then it is going to return it. Okay. So that is what is added over here, and because it's a static method, it can access your static variable directly. Okay, understood. So you know the rule for a static method, that from static method you cannot refer to the instance methods. Okay, but you can refer to the other static variables or other static methods from inside over here. Okay, so I'm returning bounce factor multiplied by whatever multiple you pass to it. So this is a static method, and it belongs to bounceable. And when you say class ball, what will happen if you want to use it over here? What you can do now, you need not say bounceable dot bounce factor into 5 over here. No need of multiplying it with 5, because we have added a static utility method for that, get bounce factor, right? So we can end up using that. So I will just comment this out. And I can say this dot df. And what is the method name? How to call it? Interface name dot get bounce factor. And what is the multiple? 5 is the multiple. Okay. So this will be the correct way to do it, using a static utility method. Okay, to enhance your bounce factor. Okay, so for ball you want to enhance it. Okay, over here for tire you don't want it. Still, what will be the correct way to do it? You add a multiple of 1. If you add a multiple of 1, it is going to simply bounceable dot get bounce factor with a multiple of 1. It is going to return you the same value. Okay, so let's see whether the function, the output will still be same. Yes or no? The output is still going to be same. The bounce factor is still going to be 25 and bounce factor is going to be 5, because same multiple, which only thing is that earlier we were multiplying by 5. Now I have added a utility method to do the same thing. Okay, to enhance the bounce factor, I have added a static utility method, which you can directly call. Because it belongs to the interface, you can call as it is wherever you need. In the implementation classes, you can invoke, or you can directly invoke it from the main method also. Over here, suppose you decide that I want to know invoke system.out.println. You can say bounceable dot get bounce factor and 10. But it will not make any sense over here. I have just shown it to show you that you can call this from anywhere. You can call it from main method, or you can call it from inside the implementation classes. Wherever you want, you can call it. So this in the end, because I have added 10 as my multiple, added 10 as the multiple, and here it is going to do bounce factor. Multiple is going to be 10, so it will be 5 into 10, that is 50. So it is showing you last value system.out.println bounceable.get bounce factor. It is showing you the value as 50. So static utility method can be called from anywhere, although the right place for adding it is inside bounceable, because this utility method is relevant to bounceable. So it will be relevant to all the implementation classes of bounceable. Okay. So that's it. This is how you provide a static method inside the bounceable, and you can use it inside the implementation classes, or you can use it from the main method wherever you want. Okay. So let's go back and discuss the remaining points. Okay. So